Hello all, welcome back. Okay, so today we'll discuss a weekly contest for 50 questions. So the first question is that we have to check return the smallest index with where the digit sum of the at particular index is equivalent to the index. Okay, means what they are saying, like there is an array like 1, 2 and 3 and again 3 like this. Okay, now they are saying the what will be the index it is 0 base index 0 1 2 and 3. So we have to return the first index while iterating from left to right. Okay, while iterating from left to right we have to return the first index where the sum of digits of the ith means sum of digit at the ith index means current index is equivalent to their sum. Okay, equivalent to their index. So let's look into the sum. What will be the sum of this? One is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3 and again 3 is 3. Okay, now for this is the last index where the sum is equivalent. Okay, let's look into the one more approach, like the array is 1, 2, 1 and 3. Okay, so what will be the indices? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now the sum of digits are 1, 2 and 1, 1 is 2. Okay, and so here the indices and the sum is equivalent to 2. Then we will return what will return 2. Okay, here we will return 3. Okay, so what will be the basic approach for this? We are just one second. So what will be the basic approach? We are just iterating for all elements. Okay, in this num array from left to right. While iterating we have to count the sum of digits. Okay, how we are counting? To counting the sum of digits we take a one temp variable. Okay, temp or one count variable. In that count we'll store the count of digits. How we are extracting the digits? By taking a mod of 10. For the current element we'll take the mod of 10 and append it to the count. Okay, and after that we have to remove that last digit from the temp variable. Okay, temp element. If and after that we are checking if the count of the means sum of the digit is equivalent to the indices, then we have to will return I, else will return -1. Okay, so just check the summation. It is already done, so it's accepted. Okay, thank you all.